Aloha everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton and ready for another paper pumpkin kit. This one's Cozy Christmas, the October 2025 kit. And I love the Christmas kits that they have. Oh, this one's stuck. And I didn't really know what was going to be in here except for the beige or pecan and some white stitching, but let's see what it is. Okay, the stamp set has Joy, Merry Christmas. These are nice fonts. Joy to the World, Deck the Halls, and a star and snowflakes, I think, yeah. So that one's really neat. That's a good one. Oh, okay, Pecan Pie, Stampin' Spot. Pretty tissue paper I always try to save. So let's see what's in here. I'm going to use this organizer every time I open my paper pumpkin kits from now on. And this is something in the handmade and a heartfelt kit. I just think it's going to be very handy for these. So let's see what's in it. So here's all the envelopes, which are always really pretty and nice and sturdy. So I guess I'll probably fold them all up and put them in the back like this. I won't make you guys watch all that. Here's the card bases. Got 3 of these and three green ones. Those are pretty. Here's the other ones. 3 of these kind of, I think this is basic beige. And look at, we've got Terran tape, some pretty red sequins, and the dimensionals. These glue dots are in case you don't have some other adhesive with you. You can put the whole kit together with this. Okay, these are just pretty little backgrounds. There's a ton of stuff you can do with this. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look, they popped out already. Okay. Ooh, they feel like felt. Oh, you're going to love these. So this pretty star thing is like felt, and I really like those. Before you throw these extra pieces away, make sure that you don't want to use them as stencils. I probably won't do this one, but sometimes you can do that and do some, use your blending brush behind it. Ooh, there's more felt. Isn't that neat? Oh, this must be for a tree. And I've got lots of joys and little ivy. I don't know why it's on a stick, but we'll find out. Those are beautiful. Okay, got everything popped out, and I'll show you the instructions in a second. Oh, I haven't got these popped out. So these are for the sentiments, and I guess that's what we're going to put the joy in, like that. Oh, they're so pretty. So I'll pop these out in a second. At the very back, you'll find the instructions and pictures of the cards that, if you do them exactly like the kit shows. So those are really nice. And this little thing is so that you can store your stamp set that comes with it and just put it in here. And put it in a little baggie or something, and you'll be able to see what your stamp set is. Okay, let me work on some kind of alternate project, and I'll be back to show you what I've done. Okay, I have an idea. Let's see if I can do it. I think I'm going to try to make a gatefold out of this that opens like that. So that's my plan. If you look on the back of your instructions, it tells you right there what the coordinating colors are, and I can see garden green in there. So I think I'm going to let me go cut a card base of garden green, and then this will make 2 cards for me because I'm going to cut right down the middle there at the score line. Okay, I've started with a card base of basic beige, just because I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same color as this ornament, the back of the ornament. I've scored it at 2 1/8 here, and then I just flipped it and scored it at 2 1/8. So that's how I'm starting. Okay, so it's going to open like this. My desk is a little bit of a mess today, and this just happens when I'm totally into the holidays and I'm in a crunch. So I'm sorry, kind of a messy video, but here you go. So I've cut 2 pieces of garden green cardstock, 5 1/4 by 1 7/8 inches, and then I cut this. Remember I cut this in half first, my card base, and then I'm cutting this top piece. And I've cut 2 of those. Those are 1 5/8 inches across by 5. So let me glue those. I'm gluing them down to the garden green. Okay, now I'm just going to glue these onto the front of my gatefold card. When your glue won't come out, just bang it on the table and store them upside down too. That's another thing I do. Pay attention to the direction of these cute little pine needles or whatever they are. So they both go in the same direction. Or that. You just want to use tiny drops of glue, especially on these edges here. I don't need glue all over the place, but just want a little bit on the edges. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stick this one on, the little hanger. Try to make it straight. So I want it to open and just grab, just part of this, just half of this ornament. So I'm going to put dimensionals on the left side here. to do that, I like to put, I'll put my fingers here, I like to put a few dimensionals right on the edge. And then I just need a few more. I think the little hanger is going to be on its own, so I'll see how that works, because I can't really glue that thing down. Okay, so just center it, get this, the hanger right up to the top, center the rest, and press it down. It's really cute, 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 cute. And I love this. I'm gonna find the sequins in here someplace. Oh, here they are. Three of them in there. Isn't that pretty? Well, I've got this little piece left over from when I was trimming for the front pieces, so I'm going to cut it in half. So I'm going to glue these here and there. I'm going to go ahead and just put it right on the card. Just put a little line of glue really close to the folded edge there. Make sure you're not too close, it needs to still fold. I want to stamp something on the inside, and I could do anything, but I like Joy to the World. There's Joy. Oops. To the World, and maybe these little sparkly things. So I usually like to, the first time I use my stamps, I like to prime them with Versamark. Just think it kind of makes them stamp a little bit nicer. So here's the Joy. To the World. I'll do in pecan pie. What do you think for these little things? I'll just use pecan pie again, because that's pretty. I like to go off of the paper a little bit, because it makes you look more artistic, I think. I guess you have to sign it someplace. Okay. I think I'll stop. Okay. Oh, I like that. That's really a fun card. And here's the envelope it goes with. So yeah, hope everybody really likes this. Try this gatefold card, and I'll put all the measurements in there. And you can double your kit this way. And don't forget this really cute organizer. There's really pretty cards in this kit. It's called Handmade and Heartfelt, and I'll put the link below in my description. And it makes 10 cards, 5 different designs, and then you get to keep this great box. Okay, thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day, and I hope you try out this gatefold. Aloha.